how's it going? Today I'm going to go over how to draw Patrick Star, a Christmas version. He's going to be wearing a Christmas hat. Patrick from Spongebob, basically. Real simple lesson, step by step, for beginners. Only 8 minutes, by the way, so very, very short. Stick around for the entire thing. Super short for a drawing lesson, and that's it. Let's jump into it, okay? Before I do that, if you like learning how to draw either Christmas characters or Halloween characters, the channel is mostly dedicated to Halloween, but also dedicated to Christmas season. And for this month, it's going to be nothing but Christmas episodes. So join in. I hope you have a good time. And that's it. Hit that subscribe and click that bell notification. All right, let's get going here. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start with Patrick's eye, like one of them. It's going to be like this circle, like egg shape sort of thing. Going over here, going to create his other eye behind there. It's going to be the same shape, only like hidden behind it. Dot over here for the dots of the eyes. The line up. Go over to the back. Down over here for the back of his body. For the back of his head anyway, but what we're really going to do is we're going to go into that Christmas hat, all right? So Christmas hat's going to be over here. Here's the bottom brim. And it's going to be a little bit wiggly, the line there, because I want to show the texture of that. Go over here on the side. Go over here on the side. Right here as well. So you have that brim. I know right now it looks like a bird's nest on his head. It is not that. Line up, down, line up here, curve down, and same thing, that little popcorn ball at the end. All right. Gonna go over here from the front, pulling down, out for Patrick's body. Maybe a little bit lower there. Cool. Gonna have his hand out over here. It's gonna go curve down for his body there. Go over here on this side. Out. Down. For his other hand, he's kind of going like, yay. Down. Curve along the bottom here. Curve for the, see basically his shorts. We're going down to the short area. Down, curve up. Curve around the corner here. Okay. I'm gonna go on this side, draw the other side of his shorts that are back there. It's really just like a square. Below here, pull down, up. Over here, pull down, up. This side, curve up here, smile. Down. Over here, curve up. The rest of that smile right there. Right here, 2 bumps for the inside of the mouth. Filling in the back side of that mouth here. Curve, curve for the belly button there. And now, let's go into the design of his shorts, right? Because that's a big part of this. Go over here and draw like a flower shape. Another flower shape. Over here on this side. Over here as well. You're going to draw dots on his skin. Very sparingly, right? Just a few here. Nothing too wild because we're in black and white here. And I'm going to draw his eyebrows, which I forgot to do. Line over here. Line over here. Okay. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to stickerify him. So meaning I'm going to draw a thick line around the outside border of this. So just around the outer edge. Okay. And what that does is it contains a lot of the shapes. It makes it look like a sticker. That's why I call it stickerifying. Curve underneath here. Just that thick line just on the outside. Whew. I guess I can kind of fix this line over here on the outside section. That's mostly it, honestly. That's it for Patrick Star. If you want to see other characters like SpongeBob or anybody else from that universe, let me know and I will make it happen, okay? I mean, I guess I did Squidward already. You can check that video out. This month is going to be nothing but Christmas stuff, all right? After that, we'll roll back into like horror stuff and Halloween, but it's just going to do that for this month, and I'm going to make its own playlist, okay? Everything is organized on the channel. It's by playlist, so absolutely let me know what you think of the channel. And what I want you to do is I want you to press the like if you like the video and press share, okay? Sharing the video, what that does is it brings back a lot of cool people to the channel. You know, either share it with a person or just press that share button. And the other thing is go check out the cool description. If you want to improve as an artist, absolutely check out that description. That's going to give you like a lot. But yeah, so yeah, that is the description is kind of has a lot of cool things in it. For the first time ever, I'm putting out a completely free program. It is on drawing in a ballpoint pen, like this thing. It's basically a drawing lesson with a ballpoint pen, and I want to show people that you can actually do any kind of art with these like really simplistic pens. And I made a whole program on that. It's supposed to be for cash, for money on a website, but it's totally free right now. I'm going to put it in the community section. So go check out that community section and go check out that program. Thank you so much. That is it. I will talk to you next time. So one thing I want you to remember is to stay positive and stay very active. When you're positive, you will have a lot of cool experiences, okay? So definitely, you know, stay positive with your drawing. You're going to become a much better artist from the sheer ability that you're positive, okay? It's going to become funner, and you're just going to learn faster. Thank you so much. I will see you next time, okay? See you soon. Say hi to me in the comment section, okay? Later. See ya.